So we're going to start with the site name. Our company or the website that we are going to work on is called Design or Ticino Construction and Design. It's a construction related business. So we're going to give it a site name, Ticino Construction Services. You can change that later, so you don't have to worry about typing in anything wrong. And then we're going to use a tagline. Just get an easy one. You can build on us. Build on us. That sounds pretty good. So then we're going to hit next. Once you put in your site information and your tagline, you get to the next picture or the next screen, which is called Choose Your Domain. The domain, your website name, Ticino Construction and Design. This is basically where you want to install WordPress. Do not worry about the directory here. This is when you have secondary websites. We check all these things. We can always delete them afterwards. That's the nice part about it. You're not really locked in with any of these. So we're going to keep it the way it is. If it's not checked, then just check these and then go to the next button. Alright, congratulations, WordPress installed successfully. So basically here you're going to get the information about your username, your password, your website, your admin information, and all this stuff. Well, you want to click here to see your password, and of course you want to remember your username and your password. So write it down, put it on a thumb drive, save it, keep it at a safe place. Alright, so we saved our credentials. Now we're ready to go to log in into our WordPress site. This might take a few minutes, but actually it goes pretty quick. It's just installing WordPress and it's populating everything on the server that sits at your hosting provider. Alright, now you're in the dashboard of your WordPress website. You can see on top you have your Ticino Construction Services. This actually was my site name. Then you see a bunch of stuff here on the top. You see a bunch of stuff on the left. You see more stuff here. Okay, let's not get confused about this because it's actually pretty straightforward. We have done it 1,000 times. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install some software pieces. Plugins are software extensions that add life and functionality to your website. Without the plugins, you would have just a core site with just text and nothing really that's dynamic. For instance, this closet website has the feature or the functionality that you can go to the Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and so forth. Then you go into the contact page, you can type in your name. So this is all done through a plugin or through plugins. Plugins are used for security, for speed, for SEO, that's search engine optimization. Here's another website, which is a window and door company. Then you have the nice layout, you can click on here. This also is done with a plugin. Then there is a Toyota website, and all these three websites I just mentioned to you are done with WordPress. When we try to sometimes find out what other plugins are available, we research websites such as this one. All we have to do is you're going to click on View Page Source. Then you see a lot of code. We're going to click on here, click F, type in plugin, and then we get a lot of information that's behind the scene. This one also uses a SEO plugin that helps the ranking. Then you can scroll down here and see some more information. And you have plugins for inventory. So you can do anything with plugins, and it really helps your website to look more dynamic, makes it faster and more secure. So let's go ahead and install the plugins.